Welcome to JH. Today we're looking at Lumina Pro, a shop dedicated to turning your bedroom into a full-blown glam studio. They sell everything from vanity mirrors with Bluetooth features, because we all need a soundtrack for our makeup meltdowns, to ring lights and organizers. It's basically a one-stop shop for anyone trying to look like a professional influencer on a budget. But before you clear your vanity, let's see if this brand is actually legit or just another digital mirage. Starting with the basics, we checked their domain on WHOS and found they've been around since 2020. In internet years, that's practically ancient, suggesting the owners might actually plan on sticking around instead of vanishing into the night. They're also surprisingly active on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. Seeing a brand actually talk back to its followers is a refreshing change from the usual corporate silence we're used to. It's almost like they want us to trust them, which is always the first step in a healthy relationship or a very elaborate scam. When it comes to support, they're a bit shy on the website, only offering an email address. However, if you head over to Facebook, they suddenly remember they have a physical address and a phone number. It's a bit like a game of hide and seek with customer service, but at least the info exists. Their product line is equally ambitious, featuring mirrors with anti-fog tech and LED lights. Because clearly, the only thing standing between you and a flawless look is a little bit of steam and the inability to see your own pores in high definition. Now, let's talk about the too good to be true department. Their website boasts a perfect 5-star rating from 650 reviews. Call me cynical, but 650 people agreeing on anything is statistically suspicious unless they're all being paid in free mirrors. These reviews look a little too polished, like they were written by a very enthusiastic PR intern. We dug deeper into Trustpilot and found absolutely nothing, but Reddit users seem to prefer Lumina Pro over their competitors. Apparently, they actually ship their products on time, which is a shockingly high bar for the beauty industry these days. So, what's the final verdict? Lumina Pro seems mostly reliable. They have a solid history, a pulse on social media, and haven't been chased off the internet by an angry mob yet. However, those perfect website reviews and the lack of independent feedback mean you should probably keep your guard up. They're likely legit, but maybe don't spend your entire life savings on a Bluetooth mirror just yet. Thanks for hanging out with me today. If you enjoyed this reality check, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more honest brand reviews. See you in the next one.